Okay, we are on the loose. Out of the room, 5 weeks old, now through the house. I'll try to put this on the floor and see if I can get any of them, because they are like everywhere. Sophie, ouch, so I gotta go through you. Yes, of course, sweetie. Okay, thank you for the kisses. Okay, thank you. I know, but I have to take the babies. Yes. Here's Gingy. Hi, where are the puppies? There's the blue one. Where are they? What do we have in here? That's my Bingo! Hi, sweetie! Yeah, it's my baby. Yes, Gingy, you are the baby too, but you know what? You're too big for this. It's my Bingo. There's Miss Pink. Hi, Bingo. What you got? You got a phone. You got a camera. Come on. Here's the yellow. Here's a cute yellow puppy. Yeah. Here's a cute yellow puppy. Bingo, you do it. Ouch. Ouch, she's biting me. Miss Pink is biting me. Miss Pink is biting me. Yes, no biting camera. I gotta take videos. There you go. Ouch. Ouch. Hi, sweetie. No, they're all in there. I think I will have to go sit up there to get them. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, hold on. Hold on. How can I do this? If I put this on the floor, they get to it. If I put it right here, I can put it like that. And hopefully nobody will get this. And that can tape. Move a second. Move a minute. Okay. Okay. What are you doing in here? Huh? Now we put the other band. See. Okay, this is good. Let's see what they're doing in here. Into the box. Okay. And here's some on the vent again. Yeah. So we have lilac, which is red. We have orange, and who are you? And a green one. Chino. Hi, Bingo. There's our Bingo. He's following me everywhere I go. Yes, he's becoming my shadow. He's becoming my shadow. Yeah. A cute little shadow. Yeah. Okay. Now we have some playing with Mommy. And then we have some on this one. Hi, Gingy. Where's the rest of them? It doesn't seem like eating puppies in here. Hey baby, are they in here? No. You gotta be under the table. So let's go like this. Oh, here they are on the vent. They're all on the vent. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? You trouble. You are the biggest trouble. Yes, you are the biggest devil. Yes. You are. Hi, sweetie. Thank you for the kisses. Yeah. Who's growling? Gingy, are you growling? Huh? Where did they all go? Puppies. Oh, puppies. Where did they all go? Huh? Where's your... Sammy, is that you growling at them? Hey, excuse me, I cannot tape this when you're gonna be eating this drink. Hi, Bingo. little yellow guy. Yeah, you sold. You're going to a good family too. Yes, good. Just use ribbon. It's too loose. You're gonna end up losing this, right? Yeah, you're gonna lose it. I gotta adjust it. Put the camera right here so you guys can see those two fighting. Let me adjust this. There you go. Okay, who are we having in here? Ren and Bingo. Ren and Bingo. Hello, Ren and Bingo. Come on. You gotta be nice. Yes. Say hi to Mommy. Say hi, Mommy Abby. Say hi, Mommy Abby. Hi, Sister Lucy. Sweetie. Okay. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Huh? Where are you, sweetie? What are you having in here? Mr. Blue. Yeah, you're going to your daddy. You're gonna play with your daddy. Yeah. You're gonna go play with your daddy. Yes. Hi, sweetie. Kisses? I get kisses from you? I get kisses from you. Alright, this is like 7 minutes. We're gonna have to stop this pretty soon. And get another one going. Oops. That's a basketball. Hi, Jinjin. Okay, lay down. Let the puppies go on you. Yeah, lay down. Let the puppies go on you. Yes, good girl. Watch. Okay. Orange, hi baby. Hi cutie. And then who we having? We're having a Ren and we're having a blue one with Selfie. Where's the rest of them? Oh, look at that. Ouch. I'm gonna cuddle up to Mommy. We're gonna cuddle up to Mommy. Okay, that's 8 minutes. We're gonna stop that one. Now I'm making 8:30. We are crushing. Oh, this is cute. Hey, blue guy. You sold too. You are sold. Yeah, you are sold. Yes. Hi. You are sold. You're going to a nice family. Yeah. Oh, you're itching Mommy and Mommy's licking you. How sweet is that, Ron? Oh, actually, Grandma. Correction. It's Grandma cleaning you. Yes. It's Grandma cleaning. Oh, what? You don't want to clean that one? See? Good girl. Okay, that's 9 minutes. I guess we're gonna stop at 9:30. Okay. We're gonna stop at 9:30 right now.